Hello everybody, Zeff here with ZeffsTrading. Hope you guys are doing well today. September 9th, 2024. This will be our chart lesson for today. ES Futures, 2000 Tick Chart. Let's get right into it. Not too many trades today, but we didn't go below yesterday's low, and we didn't go above yesterday's high. So, inside bar type of day. There's a few trades in here, not nearly as many as we usually see, but that's okay. That's how it happens. Pre-market session here, I saw a nice move up with a spike and started to channel. Holding above the 21 EMA here, there's really nothing in here that I see is high probability. You have this kind of exhaustion move up with a break, new high. Can't get past the, let's see here, what is this, 54.68 area. Has a leg down, and then you get a first entry, second entry short. It's an inside bar, but good signal bar. If you know what you're doing, I think you can take this. This is enough room back down to the swing low here. And you're not going into some crazy support, which would be all the way down here. It's a risky trade. It's an aggressive trade, but if you know what you're doing, I think it's okay to take it. Anyways, as the market moves along here, holding above the 21 EMA a little bit and holding above the upper green trend channel that we have drawn here. There's another first entry, second entry short failure. No real room to the high, huge outside bar, too much risk, don't take those. And then again, it just kind of, there's a lot of sideways movement, and you can draw this, if you'd like. Might help you visually. Has a huge run up, exhaustion, pulls back. You get a lower high here, but this one's not the worst trade in the world. It is a first entry, second entry short. You kind of see this double matching bar high, so it's a first entry, second entry short. If you know what you're doing, it's not the worst thing in the world. It's a lot of really aggressive trades. I just don't think this is the best possible setup. This outside bar is trapping a bunch of traders right here, and all their stops are right here, and you can see it just slams down. If you understand the context of this exhaustion move, maybe you can take that. As we go along here, get a slight bear flag, pull back, and then this is where it just kind of sells off here for a while. And going along here, I just don't see, you can see how many wicks there are, how many overlapping sideways moves there are here, as you can see, and you'll just get chopped up if you try to participate in this. Wait for something better, and you do get it. You do get something better. This double bottom, move up, you get a first entry, pull back, whoops. Second entry short, clear ABC, double top, almost a triple test here, basically, you can argue as well. That's what you're really looking for, especially with the first break of this trend channel. Those are the ones you want to take. Take those, leads to a great move down. Then you get another first entry, second entry short after this leg is here, and I think this is a measured move, just about. You can see the visual two-legged move here. But you do get a first entry, second entry, third entry short. This is pretty tempting to take. When we get back to previous support, is resistance and vice versa. This one is, I think, worth at least mentioning here, trapping those traders here. Nice 2B pattern as well. Took out the swing high. That's the signal bar. Really good risk to reward ratio here. Doesn't follow the PATS system immediately. It is a third entry short, but if you are trading discretionary, you understand the context, I don't think that's a bad thing to take. Anyways, moving along here, and just real quick, you will have to always, as a trader, have discretion. You can specifically trade a system if you'd want, and then days like this, you would probably pass up on a lot of trades. The only trade so far you really should be taking is this second entry short. You just need to be able to have the discipline in order to sit here throughout the entire day, maybe multiple hours, and wait for a setup like that. But with experience, you could always implement more to your arsenal. And so when you have multiple systems that you understand and you see the context with, these are the 2B patterns, and they can correspond with each other. Just wanted to mention that. Anyways, as we get another move up, I saw this as another spike and started to channel. This is a great move up. Unfortunately, I just don't see any way for us to get in here. There is a nice move down, pull back, first entry, second entry long, bad signal bar. And maybe this is a good bar right here, but you're just kind of calling the bottom, and you're going to like not a lot of room for a scalp. You're not you're just not really trading anything here. That's decent. I could see why this is tempting to take. You can visually see the move down, but I think you just gotta wait for something better, like a higher low. And unfortunately, you just don't get it until here. But then you don't have the best bar. If your bar was better than that, I don't think that's the worst thing to take. It would also be a first entry, second entry short failure. So again, a lot of discretion here today. Can't say that enough. We finally get up to a move down, break, makes a new high, and you get this clear resistance right here with another lower high bar right here. Not the best signal bar. I think this thing is just not exactly where you want. You do get a first entry, second entry long, and then it fails, shoots to the bottom of this. Just make sure you have your stop where it needs to be. If it goes above that bar, you know you're wrong. Get out. Then you have another first entry, second entry long failure, shoots down. Pretty tempting to take these. You already have your move up, break, new low. I'd like to see a better signal bar with the failures, but it is what it is. Moves down, huge sell off here. Pulls back, simple bear flag, sells off again. And then you get a really nice move right back to right where it broke out, as you can see. So with this spike up and then it started to channel, that's where it comes to. So just, always understand where your support and resistance is. As it comes down here, corrects again, double bottom. And then this is how I saw it. I saw the nice first entry, pull back, second entry short, and into a really nice double top here. Good signal bar with the first break of the trend channel. So still looking for that new low. Got it. Recovers, and then it turns into this trading range for a little bit here. Moves up. Don't really have anything in here. Sells back down. Moves up. Then you get a really nice first entry, second entry short with this leg. Still expecting another leg down. Double bottoms here. Good signal bar. A little bit of risk. I would definitely trail the stop loss on this one. Just be careful. But overall, first entry, second entry short. Good second entry short there. And that's pretty much how it ended for the rest of the day. There is a first entry, second entry short failure. This, you can enter it on the engulfing of the bar, trapping all the short traders looking for a quick scalp. You really got to know what you're doing there. Still looking for the breaking new high, so if you know what you're doing, you can take that. Then turns into a trading range here. And you have a, where was it? Yeah, really nice move up, pull back. You have your breaking new high of 1, 2, and 3, so you kind of got this wedge pattern here. As you can see, it's an Albrook's wedge pattern, 1, 2, 3, and you also have what I saw as a first entry, second entry short, or double top as well. A lot of ways to look at it here. Basically, to keep it, stupid simple, sell the top of the range, buy the bottom of the range. That's how it started to develop, and you realized it on this bar right here. So, pretty good move down. Goes back, tests it. You get a first entry, second entry long failure again. And then that's pretty much how it ends for the rest of the day. Really not anything too crazy, and anyone who's a beginner, just don't worry about these black arrows at all. Rallies for the last 5 minutes. It looks like it pulls back and just holding above it here. I saw this trend channel later on here, and I think this is what it was working off after 1, 2, and 3 touches. That's where I saw it. So not enough information during the actual trading until you saw this touch. And you only have 5 minutes left, so it doesn't really matter. But that's pretty much how I saw the market for today. Not super exciting, but patience paid off with that really nice second entry short right here. And those are the ones you really should be waiting for, and the one over here. Alrighty, hope you guys enjoyed this chart review. And as always, see you guys next time.